Hi, my name is Chris. Today I'm doing Leetcode problem 1812, determine color of a chessboard square in JavaScript. This is you're given coordinates on a string that represents the coordinates of a square. The chessboard below is a chessboard for your reference. Return true if the square is white, false if the square is black. The coordinates will always represent our valid chessboard square. The coordinates will always have the letter first and the number second. Okay, so we get the coordinates A1, which is this. That's black, so we return false. H3 is white, so return true. C7 is black, so we return false. Okay, so I really had no idea how to do this, and then I looked at the hints. It says convert the coordinates to XY. That is A1 is 1, 1, and D7 is 4, 7. Try to add the numbers and look for a pattern. So once I saw that, then it became pretty simple, right? Because A1 is 1, 1. So if we add 1 and 1, we get 2. So we get an even number, right? So B2 is 2, 2. Add those together, you have 4. It's an even number. 3, 1. Add them together, 4 even numbers, so on and so forth. So basically all the black squares, if you add those numbers together, you get an even number. All the white squares, you add them together, you get an odd number. So let's go ahead and grab this. Move over to CodePen. Sorry, I forgot to clear that. Let's log into the console so we can see what's going on. All right. So, basically what we need to do is we need to convert this into an array that's one. Well, no, we don't. But we need to change A to 1, then add those two numbers together, determine if that's even or odd. If it's even, we return false. If it's odd, we return true. All right, so how do we do this? Well, I'm going to create a variable called code. And we're going to use the car code add method. And let's return code. Okay, so you get 97. So if we want to make that, basically what we're doing here is we're checking what is the character code at coordinate, or I'm sorry, at index 0 and coordinates, right? So we're looking for the character code of A. And that's going to be 97. So if we want it to be 1, we subtract, 96. Now it's 1. So what we can do here is we can say code plus number coordinates at 1. Now we should get 2, right? So what we're doing here is we're taking character at coordinates 1, converting it to a number, and we're adding to code. Well, now we need to check, is this odd or even? So we can do, put those in parentheses, use the modulus 2. If that does not equal 0, that means it's odd, right? So because it does equal 0, we get false because that number is even. And that's all we need to do. Let's copy all our code, paste it on in Leetcode, format it, and submit it. And there you go. All right, hopefully you found this video enjoyable and helpful. If you did, please give it a like. It helps my channel to grow. If you'd like to see more like these, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you again real soon.